Friday morning, and I'm talking about a crazy stock. It's up over 100%. It's going straight to the moon, and I'm going to talk about how I did not make any trades here on PSTV this morning. I'm talking about why I did not trade it, and talk about some of the reasons for me to not want to touch this stock, and kind of why maybe you probably saw some of the same red flags. Hopefully you guys saw some of those red flags, or maybe you guys made a lot of money. Maybe I'm the only idiot out there that thought this trade was bad for me. But I'm going to talk about kind of the reasons and all that here in this video. And also, I'm doing a giveaway right now, a giveaway with trade ideas for all of my YouTube subscribers, to give back to all of my amazing YouTube subscribers, all 85,000 of you. All the haters, even the haters. If you're a hater, you can still sign up for the giveaway because I want to give you something as well. So we're going to give away 1 month of Trade Ideas, professional scanner, the Trade Ideas Pro. It'll be the full package. You'll get everything. You get to try it out. It's all free. You can try it out for free. Well, you'll get a whole month. You'll get an entire month subscription for free. And all you got to do is just hit the link down below. There's a link down below. You sign up, your name and your address. That way when we draw the winner, we can email you to let you know that you won. And I'm pretty excited. I want to kind of do this every month, actually. I want to do this maybe like once or twice a month. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see how many free subscriptions Trade Ideas gives me. We'll see. I'm going to ask for more and more so that I can give you guys more and more free stuff. And I'll be working on some other giveaways soon as well. So big thank you to all the subscribers, everybody out there who supports the channel, the videos, and all that. So hit that link down below. And also get ready. Let's talk about this trade here. Let's talk about why I did not. What's going on, guys? It's Friday morning. We're talking about PSTV this morning. Talking about why I did not make a trade on it. I actually made this video earlier, about 20 minutes ago. I made this video talking about PSTV and why I was not going to be trading it, but my microphone didn't work and there was no audio. So now I'm going to make it again. So because I love you guys so much, and I want to talk about why I did not buy PSTV this morning pre-market. Now you might look at this stock and be like, "Wow, Patrick, it's amazing. It went from $4 to $9.40." But let's just kind of look at this, So it's just too risky for me personally. Now this stock is a previous reverse split, so we know that there's definitely some interesting stuff going on with this stock. It's also very low float. You can see here on the Trade Ideas Gapper list, it's showing that there's 379,000 shares in the float. I'm not sure it's correct or not, but it's interesting to say the least. Now, the big problem here was the volume this morning. So let's say, normally I make trades between like 8 o'clock, 9:30. This morning, we're like, okay, look, 8,000 shares, 7,000 shares. Not a lot of volume pre-market. And look at this thing. It's just going straight to the moon. And there's really just no solid pullback, no real consolidation, no support bounce, really nothing for me to kind of look for a entry point. It was nothing but green all the way to the moon. And we talk about that, in the past. Why do I want to buy when something is going straight to the moon? I don't want to obviously do that. In hindsight now, it's like, oh wow, I could have made a ton of money today. But also in hindsight, I could have bought the dip or I could have bought the top and I could have gotten crushed and lost a lot of money. And for me personally, PSTV just wasn't the right setup. And really, there's just not much moving this morning. So on a day like today, especially on a Friday, the last thing I want to do is try to force a trade. The last thing I want to do is be like, oh, let me just find a stock to trade this morning. And let me just jump into anything and everything. Anything that's moving, let me jump into it. You can see right there from $8.80 down there to $8. So that's what happens when the volume's low. We got 800,000 shares traded. It's up 100%. The stock's up big. You can see here on the 5-minute chart, there was really just no solid touch until later on. Really through here from 8:30 till about 9 o'clock, we had no real solid touch. Now, if I had shares as short, I might have thought about shorting it. But even then, this thing was really volatile. Just bam, bam, bam. This is one of those stocks that could just blow up your account. Just blow up your account within seconds. So I just didn't touch it. I put my hands in the air and I said, I don't care. I don't want none of that. I ain't touching that juju, and you better not touch it either. And I'm sure somebody out there made a ton of money today on PSTV, or maybe you guys lost some money. But for me, this was just one of those stocks that it's like, it's too good to be true, or it's just a stock that I don't want to mess with because it's just too risky. You know what I mean? Like there's just not a solid play here. It's really just, it would be more so just trying to get in and get out quickly, real quick scalp, something like that. It just wasn't the ideal setup for me. And over time, you're going to figure out that you got to find kind of the setups that you want to trade. You got to kind of find what works best for you. And this morning, pre-market, PSTV just did not work for me on any level because we didn't have any support. We didn't really have any good news. Really, the overall idea of the stock was just, I'm thinking this thing was a major pump and dump, and that's really what it's looking like right now. Is that to say the stock can't go to $12, $15, $16 later on today? No. I mean, we've seen it happen before. We've seen stocks like this go up big pre-market, crash, and then go up another 100%. It happens. It happens all the time. But for me, personally for me, I just did not see the risk to reward there, and I stayed away from it. And like I said, I already made this video before talking about it, before kind of this bounce here happened. So now it's kind of like, oh, you could have bought the bounce there. Patrick could have got that move from 820 up there to 880. Maybe I could have made a little bit of money there. I might have made a trade there. I might have made a trade in this kind of area here as we kind of consolidated there. But I'm just not loving the volume. We got 800,000 shares traded on this type of move, over 100% move. It's up $4.5, and we've only got 800,000 shares traded. So something definitely not right about this stock, this trade in general. So that's why I'm staying away from it, and that's why I'm talking about it in this video, kind of the reasons that I stayed away from it, the reasons I did not want to trade it, and all of that. So I want to share that with you guys so you guys can see, not every day is going to be a beautiful, beautiful day. And even, there's going to be days where stock's going straight to the moon, right? There's going to be days like today, like PSTV, where it's just going straight up. It's green. It's looking awesome. But still, it's just not going to give you the right setup, the right opportunity to jump in and jump out and take profit. And that's what it comes down to. You might have a day where you don't make any trades at all, but at least you're not losing money. At the end of the day, if you don't lose money, you're basically making money, if that makes sense. A day with no trades at all is better than a day where you take trades and you lose money. Even if you break even on those trades, the commission, the fees will rack up over time, and you'll end up losing more and more money when you're trying to force trades, when you're trying to make things happen when things aren't supposed to happen. Oh, I'm out of breath. So there's some of the reasons that PSTV just was not good for me this morning. So if you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that subscribe button. I will talk to you guys later on.